cage. Friends, this is our last goodbye to Saudi Arabia.
Okay, let's board. We are headed to Turkey now. Yes. We settle in and oops, looks like Ishmael didn't take that long to sleep. 4 hours later, we are in Istanbul, Turkey.
Friends, we are here to explore Turkey.
Where at Turkey? Istanbul.
Istanbul.
All right. We had booked a quick tour of Istanbul during our layover, so here we are in our fancy taxi exploring. It is a beautiful, colorful city. It was raining in the morning, but sun is peeking out a little now. We're at the Hippodrome, sometimes called as Sultan Ahmed Square, which is between the Mosque of Sultan Ahmed and the Palace of Justice. This was an important sports and entertainment arena up until 10th century. This is the German fountain in the northern end of Old Hippodrome.
It's a gift from the Wilhelm II to Abdulhamid II in 1898.
The Blue Mosque, or the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, it is generally a functioning mosque, but it is closed for renovation, so we can't go inside. There used to be a school next door that you see here. Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque is a mosque and a museum. It used to be a cathedral until 1453. Then it was converted into a mosque in 1935, and now it's a mosque and museum both. Lines were long and we didn't have ticket ahead, so we skipped the inside tour. Transportation system is very good here. There are several street vendors selling various food items. I opted for beef samboli, and Ishmael and Isaac settled for McDonald's. I wish we had some time for a nice sit-down meal. This looks so good. Now we're entering Old Bazaar, which was built in sections. So this is kind of built in pieces.
Yes, true.
And this is the new part, I would imagine?
Yeah, I mean, new part, but not still new part.
They have beautiful rugs, gold jewelry, various food items, and tons of souvenirs for tourists like us. Now we're entering Spice Bazaar. As the name suggests, they have all sorts of herbs and spices here. And that's our tour guide. He did a fantastic job explaining things.
It's known as Spice Bazaar, but for the Turkish people, it's Egyptian Bazaar, and the bazaar was built to cover the expenses, the mosque just behind here.
So much to see and so much to do. I wish we had more time. We definitely need to come back to explore in detail. Now time to board the ferry to explore the Asian side of Istanbul. We leave the European side now, which is more commercial. We're headed to the Asian side, which is more like residential area.
Sophia.
Hagia
The first one is
Sophia.
Hagia Sophia.
Okay, and
The
then
second one is the Blue Mosque.
okay, and the third
The
one.
third one is Bazaar Mosque. Bazaar Mosque.
Okay.
The one in the coast of here is the Blue Mosque. No, you stay like this.
Isaac, is it fun?
We enjoyed the top deck and now we're inside the ferry to enjoy some beautiful Turkish music.
Kula gölge ise Allah'a ayan ol. Senden ayrılalı gülmedim dostum, 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 dostum.
Isaac?
We didn't explore much on Asian side. A lot of folks were fishing here.
Be careful with it.
Time to head back to the airport to catch our flight home. Bye bye Turkey. It was fun.
It was a short trip, but now we're heading back home.